Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Physical Science in online lecture series of semester 6th, paper number 15, Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper number 15, we have completed 2 units. Unit first, Fishery Economics, Unit second, Fish Marketing, and we have started and seen the Unit third, that is study of fish cooperatives in India. In this third unit, 2 points which is to be already completed. 1 point is the definition and principles of cooperative societies, various definitions of cooperatives and various principles of cooperative societies. Then second point which is to be completed, that is the history of cooperative movement in India. In India, those cooperative studies, these are to be started. In India, the cooperative system, these are to be started. Where this history, these are to be started. From which period this history, these are to be found. That's why in second point which is to be seen the history of cooperative movement in India. Now in today's part we have studied that is organs of cooperative. To develop the cooperative society, to develop the cooperative movement and cooperative federations or the cooperative societies, various organs these are to be formed, various organs these are to be developed. Then which are these organs, which are these parts, all these organs, all these parts which has to be we have seen in this part, in this lecture. Yes, organs of cooperative society or cooperatives. Generally the fisheries cooperative societies are functionally and structurally working. These cooperative societies, these are to be societies are functionally and structurally working for their members and societies. It is to be structurally and functionally it is to be working, structurally and functionally it is to be acting to their members and to their societies. The cooperative society will be formed. The cooperative society will be formed and then the management will be run down by their different employees and different organs. These organs which is to be performed, developed by laws. By laws means the cooperative society, these are to be formed by laws, and the cooperative society, these are to be also working by laws also. Its working and management is to be by laws. All those persons united and formed the cooperative society. All those persons united and formed the cooperative society. These persons are called as the members of the cooperative society. These are called as the members of the cooperative society. Those members, those persons which is to be formed and developed to form the cooperative sector, to form the united a forum, that forum which is to be called as cooperative society, and these persons, these are to be called as members of the cooperative society. All these members of cooperatives were gathered, all these members of cooperative society were gathered to unilaterally or unanimously, एक वाक्यतेने किंवा सगळ्यांनीमते, सर्वानुमते ज्याला आपण म्हणतो भाषेमध्ये, राजकीय भाषेला म्हणतो सर्वानुमते आणि एकमते. सर्वानुमते म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी मिळून, कंबाईन. युनानिमसली or unilaterally, these members, these are to be gathered unilaterally, unanimously, and accept a unique views and ideas, and develop the cooperative society. सगळ्यांचे वेगवेगळे विचार ऐकून घेतल्यानंतर, वेगवेगळे त्यांचे प्रवाह ऐकून घेतल्यानंतर त्याची आयडिया काय आहेत, त्याचे विचार काय आहेत, त्यातून आपल्याला कुठला मार्ग काढता येईल, त्यातून आपल्याला कुठली सोसायटी डेव्हलप करता येईल, नवीन काय करता येईल, नाविन्य काय शोधता येईल, नाविन्य काय करता येईल. टू आयडियाज, व्ह्यूज, दीज आर टू बी डेव्हलप अँड फॉर्म ए cooperative. It is called as formation of cooperative society. All members decided and qualifications of the members and associate members. All these members are decided. They members, what is the qualification of members, what is the qualification of associate members, which are the criteria of members and which are the criteria of associate members. Cooperative society is a charitable organization. Cooperative society is a charitable organization. सर्वानुमते ठरवलेलं, सर्वानुमते निर्माण केलेलं चॅरिटेबल, सगळ्यांनी मिळून चॅरिटेबल ऑर्गनायझेशन. इट शुड देअरफॉर कंडक्ट इटसेल्फ ए बिझनेस. इट शुड देअरफॉर कंडक्ट इटसेल्फ ए बिझनेस लाईक मॅनर इन अटेनिंग इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह इफिशियन्सी. धंद्याच्या किंवा व्यापाराच्या दृष्टिकोनातून हा जो ग्रुप तयार केला असेल, ही जर सोसायटी तयार केली असेल, तर त्या व्यापारी दृष्टिकोनातून तुमची सोसायटी काम करते का? युअर सोसायटी इज टू बी वर्किंग इन दॅट मॅनर, in that act. It is essential, it is to be most important. Cooperative society is formed by legal status with voluntary association of members. Cooperative society is formed by legal status with voluntary association of members according to the quality, according to the equality and democratic way. These cooperative society, these are to be performed according to the equality and democratic way. Following manner cooperative society is formed by the members of the cooperative society are as these cooperative society members, these are to be unanimously gathered, then unanimously these are to be select, or unilaterally these are to be select, choose the different members, and these members, these are to be called as president, vice president, treasurer, members, associate members, then directors. These are different names, these are to be given. That is president, vice president, directors, treasurers, members, associate members, then board of directors, then auditors. All these terms, these are to be unanimously, these are to be choose, unanimously these are to be act, and these terms, these are to be applied in cooperative society, in cooperative movement. By the Cooperative Act 1904, by the Cooperative Act 1904, the body of this cooperative society forms the following basic structure. By the Cooperative Society Act passed, which is to 1904, according to this Cooperative Society Act 1904 or the State Cooperative Societies Act, the body of this cooperative society forms following basic structure. According to the state government, according to the state cooperative society or the state government rules and regulations, following basic structure of cooperative society, these are to be formed, these are to be. Which are the basic structure? That is council, the management committee, control committee, then general meeting, annual meeting, special meeting. These different members, that is, these are to be formed, that is council, management committee, board of directors, control committee, then general meeting, annual meeting, special meeting, audit meeting, or varieties of meeting. These are to be occur, these are to be taken by members to develop, to improve your cooperative society. All the members of the cooperative society, all the members of the cooperative society were gathered in office of the society. All these members express their views freely, ideas freely. They make decisions on all these ideas, all these views, all these ideas, all these views which is to be put forth by member. Those are favorable, those are positive. These ideas, these themes, they can be select, they can make decisions on all these basic requirements and needs. Then they unilaterally म्हणजे सर्वानुमती, सगळ्यात एकच वाक्य, त्या सगळ्यांनी एकच. Then they unilaterally and unanimously agree to choose the various chairperson among themselves. Sometimes there is no agreement. बऱ्याच वेळेस सगळ्यामध्ये एक वाक्यता होत नाही, सगळ्यामध्ये एकी नसते. At that time there is no agreement, there is no unilaterally which is to be occur. Some are to be told, some ideas, some are to be told, some chances. At that time there is no unilaterally, there is no agreement. Then these are to be accepted by the chairperson, or it is to be taken by election. When taken election, those are more votes, By democratic Lokshahija system, those are to be more weight, these are to be win, those are minimum weight, these are to be lost. Similar ideas, views, these are to be taken. Those have positive ideas, more views, that can be choose. Those are minimum, that can be neglected, these are to be discarded. Then the election of various posts will be occurs. Then the elections of various posts will be occurs, and all the above persons, these are to be chosen, these are to be select, or it can be elected, such as president, it can be elected from the members, vice president, it can also elected from the members, directors or the board of director, it is also elected from the members, treasurer, it can also elected from the members. Means these president, vice president, directors and treasurers, all these members, these are to be choose, these are to be select the members who are the members of the cooperative society, and every member has voting rights. Every member has voting rights, voting power, but it is a single vote. One member, one vote. One member, one vote. It is a single vote and only vote due to the democratic way among all the members of cooperative society. Among all the members of the cooperative society, above chairperson will be elected. Sometimes all members unanimously these are to be elected, or sometimes there can be election, or sometimes election it can be done, but on both sides same vote these are to be occur, 12 or 12. At that time chairperson or the meeting chairperson, it can be give vote, it is the final and a decision making vote, and this decision making vote is to be proved that is all these are the unanimously or unilaterally accepted. These president, vice president, board of treasurers, auditors, or different other things, it can be selected in cooperative office, cooperative society for the benefit of members. The first organs of cooperative organs म्हणजे cooperative society चे किती भाग आहेत. First part, that is president. A president is a leader of an organization. President is a leader of an organization. It is a leader of an company. It is a leader of an community. It is a leader of an club. It is a leader of an trade union. It is a leader of university or other group. It can be, president can be a leader of an organization, company, community, club, trade union, university or other groups. President is the top level officer. President is the top level officer of the organization who is responsible for day-to-day operational decision and implementation of strategies successfully. What is the important thing? President is the top level of officer. President is the top level officer of the organization of the cooperative society who is totally responsible. Who is responsible? President is totally responsible day by day operational activity, day by day operational decisions and implementation of these decisions, strategies in a cooperative society successfully. जर तो कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीचा अध्यक्ष असेल तर त्या अध्यक्षाची जिम्मेदारी आहे, त्याचं ते कर्तृत्व आहे, त्याचं ते कौशल्य आहे. काय कौशल्य आहे? ऑल दोज ऑर्गनायझेशन, ऑल दोज प्रेसिडेंट, इट इज ऑफिसर ऑफ ऑर्गनायझेशन अँड इट्स इज द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. त्याची जिम्मेदारी आहे, त्याची जबाबदारी आहे डे टू डे ऑपरेशनल डिसिजन, रोजचे रोज डिसिजन आणि इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ स्ट्रॅटेजीज. तुमचं काय स्ट्रॅटेजी ठरवलेली आहे, तुमचं काय तत्त्व ठरलेलं आहे, तुमची काय पॉलिसी आहे, त्या पॉलिसीला तुमचे तत्त्व काय करणे, इम्प्लिमेंट करणे सक्सेसफुली. इट इज द जॉब ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट. हु इज ॲज ॲन प्रेसिडेंट? President can be defined as an official chosen to preside over a meeting or an assembly. It is called as president. President म्हणजे काय? An official chosen to preside over the meeting. जो त्या मीटिंगला अध्यक्ष कंडक्ट करणार आहे, त्या मीटिंगचा अध्यक्षपद भूषवणार आहे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द प्रेसिडेंट. असेंब्लीनं सांगितलं की दिस इज प्रिसाइड ओव्हर द टुडेज मीटिंग, दॅट इज द मेंबर ऑफ टुडेज मीटिंग्स, दिस इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ टुडेज मीटिंग. तो त्या मीटिंगचा अध्यक्ष असेल. मग ऑफिस काही सांग. ॲन अपॉइंटेड गव्हर्नर ऑफ ए सबऑर्डिनेट पॉलिटिकल युनिट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द प्रेसिडेंट. प्रेसिडेंट म्हणजे काय? ॲन अपॉइंटेड सम गव्हर्नर of a subordinate political unit, it is called as the president. Or another definition of president, the chief officer of an organization. The chief officer. What is the chief officer? Such a corporation or institution. Such a corporation or institution usually entrusted with the direction and administration of its policies. With the direction and administration of its policies. That's why that person it can perform its policies. That person it can perform its ideas, and that's why it is to be important, it is to be useful. That person is to be act as officer of an organization, usually entrusted with the direction and administration of its policies. Or president is also can be defined as the presiding officer of a governmental body is called as president. What is meant by president? The presiding officer of a governmental body is called as president. Or another definition, an elected official servicing as both an essential or an elected official serving as both chief of state and chief of political executive in a republic having a presidential government. In a republic having a presidential government, it is called as president. An elected official, निवडून आलेला ऑफिशियल ॲज बोथ, तो का मुख्य काय असला पाहिजे, चीफ ऑफ स्टेट किंवा चीफ ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एक्झिक्युटिव्ह, राजकीय पक्षाचा अध्यक्ष असेल किंवा स्टेटचा चीफ असेल, मुख्य असेल. ऑल दीज आर टू बी कॉल्ड ॲज बाय ए गव्हर्मेंटल और प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट. और अनदर डेफिनेशन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट, an elected official having the position of chief of state, an elected official having the position of chief of state, but usually only minimal political powers in a republic having a parliamentary government, it is called as president. What is the definition of president? An elected official having the position of chief of state, but usually only minimal political powers in a republic having a parliamentary government, and these parliamentary government it has the chief, it has the state to minimum political powers but maximum republic powers, maximum for communities, maximum for countries. That person is called as the president. It is called as the term president. Yes. Hope you have studied in short what is the president, what is the organs of cooperatives, and what is the cooperative society, cooperative movement. All these things, all these ideas which is to be have seen here. In short, just we have seen the definition of president. In detail, duties of president, responsibilities of the president, and who can made a president in next detail. Thank you all of you.